Here's a 2014 Cadillac CTS. Stunningly refined and meticulously crafted, the CTS employs lightweight design techniques that make a larger and lower, yet still lightweight car. With standard climate control, power front seats, and a reverse sensing system, the journey will be as comfortable as it is effortless. It also includes stability and traction control and heated mirrors.
It comes with a navigation system to easily guide you to your destination. The all-wheel drive allows you to master any road, anytime. Safety comes from being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat.
This 2014 CTS stands out among the world's leading luxury sedans. Get behind the wheel of brilliance today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.